You jump in your car on a scorching day, crank the AC, and nothing but hot air. It's a miserable, sweaty experience that can ruin any drive, but don't panic. Many AC problems are simple to diagnose and fix yourself. You don't need fancy tools or years of experience, just a bit of knowledge and patience. We'll break down the system step by step so you can get that cold air blowing again. Think of your AC as a puzzle. Each symptom is a clue. Is the air warm? Does it make noise? Or work only sometimes? Each points to a different issue. By the end, you'll know how your AC works and how to fix the most common problems. Let's pop the hood and bring back that chill. Here's how to beat the heat and fix it yourself. Most AC failures come down to a few usual suspects. Low refrigerant is the top cause. Tiny leaks let the cooling gas escape, so the system can't chill the air. Next, the compressor. If it fails or its clutch stops engaging, the refrigerant won't circulate. A clogged cabin air filter can also choke airflow, making the AC feel weak even if it's cold at the vent. Electrical issues, like blown fuses or bad relays, can shut down the system entirely. Ignoring these problems can turn a cheap fix into a costly repair. Start with the basics. Check refrigerant, compressor, filter, and fuses. Simple checks can save you money and sweat. Start with the easiest fixes. Check the cabin air filter, usually behind the glove box. If it's dirty, replace it. Next, inspect the AC fuse and relay using your owner's manual. Swap relays to test. With the engine running and AC on max, look at the compressor under the hood. If the clutch isn't spinning, it could be a bad relay, clutch coil, or low refrigerant. To check refrigerant, use a recharge kit with a pressure gauge on the low pressure port. If the gauge reads low, you've likely found your problem. A leak. Don't just add refrigerant and hope for the best. Each step narrows down the issue, saving you time and money. Diagnose methodically, and you'll avoid unnecessary repairs. Most problems are simple. Don't overthink it. A few basic checks can restore your AC's chill. Let's move on to finding leaks. If your system is low on refrigerant, you have a leak. Use a UV dye kit. Add dye through the low-pressure port, run the AC, then inspect with a UV flashlight. The dye glows bright green or yellow at the leak site. Check all AC lines, the compressor, condenser, and service ports. Even tiny leaks will show up under UV light. Be thorough. Leaks can hide in hard-to-see spots. Once you spot the glow, you know exactly what needs fixing. Now let's talk about common repairs. Found the leak? Time to fix it. O-rings at line connections are common leak points. Replace them after a professional evacuates the system. If the condenser is punctured, swap it out. Just unbolt, disconnect, and replace. Compressor issues, sometimes you can replace just the clutch. If it's noisy or seized, replace the whole unit. Always replace the receiver dryer and orifice tube when installing a new compressor. After any repair, pull a vacuum to remove air and moisture, then recharge with the correct refrigerant. Wear safety gear. Refrigerant can cause frostbite. Take your time, follow steps, and you'll save big on repairs. Most fixes are straightforward with patience and care. Let's cover when to call a pro. Some AC problems are best left to professionals. If the evaporator core leaks, it's buried deep in the dashboard. A huge job. Expansion valves and orifice tubes can clog or fail, causing odd cooling issues. Some are hard to access. Diagnosing these requires special tools and expertise. Modern cars have complex climate control systems with sensors and computers. Electrical issues can be tough to trace. If you've checked the basics and still have problems, or suspect a deep dashboard or electrical issue, call a trusted mechanic. Know your limits. Sometimes a pro is the best tool for the job. The goal is a working AC, not frustration. Prevent AC problems with simple habits. Run your AC for 10-15 minutes monthly, even in winter, to keep seals lubricated. Keep the condenser clean. Spray it gently to remove debris. Replace the cabin air filter yearly for best airflow and air quality. These small steps keep your AC running strong and save you money. Start with simple checks. Be methodical, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Safety first. Wear glasses and gloves and never release refrigerant into the air. Enjoy the satisfaction of a cool, comfortable ride you fixed yourself. You've got this.